Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw a nice calligraphy. Let's start the drawing from the top. First, we're going to draw a straight line which is vertical. Then we're going to draw another curved line. Alright, so let's fill up the top label designs here. In some places you can see the thickness is high and in some spaces the thickness is low, so it has the variations in thickness. After drawing the whole stops, then we are going to fill up the spaces inside these two parallel lines, and the drawing this is going to be looking more nice and excellent and beautiful. Alright, so the drawing is done. Now I'm going to fill up the spaces inside it. Okay. This is nice. Let's fill up the next portion. For the calligraphy, after completing the whole drawing, the drawing has its own beauty, and you can see the flavor after completion of the drawings. So let's put the colors through the whole spaces, and then we're going to see how does it looks. Alright, so some spaces left here. Okay, so you can see the total color combinations is orange shape here. Okay, so this is the nice calligraphy. I hope you like it. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thanks for watching. You can also browse through the playlist and you can select lots of drawings in different categories. Calligraphy drawing is only one category among all other categories, so you have lots of options if you browse through the playlist. Please stay tuned with Blue Hand Drawing channel. Subscribe the channel, put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.